We take so much care about what we eat, but we are so casual and careless about what we think. Isn't it? We continue to entertain our past vrittis and thus strengthen our sanskaras. And remember, this is the major reason for us taking birth after birth after birth. My Thakur also describes this phenomenon in a similar fashion in the great book Tattva Jigyasa. He says, শুধু মৃত্যুর পরই আত্মা চলে যায় না, জীবন্ত অবস্থায় আত্মা ক্রমশ ক্রমশ বাড়তে থাকে। What does it mean? Not only you die at death, you are slowly but steadily embracing death at every moment and even now at this very moment. My Thakur further says, তুমি জীবনভর যত কথা বলেছ সব কথাই চলে গেছে, গিয়ে জমাট হয়ে আছে। Every word you spoke, every action you performed has taken a shape, and this is what you actually are. This is what sanskaras are all about. Then what to do with these sanskaras? You may ask, what can prevent us from taking birth after birth, life after life? My Thakur suggests the easiest way, that is Nam Jap, that is Ram Narayan Ram. Look, try to understand what Ram Narayan Ram is capable of doing. Ram Narayan Ram contains within itself the earliest spirit of this great creation. This creation manifested with a specific purpose, a definitive end, and ultimate goal. We have considerably drifted away from that goal. What the chanting of Ram Narayan Ram does is to bring us back to the path of that original goal. As we have substantially digressed from that ultimate goal or the purpose in mind with which we have been created, and so our sanskaras are already playing a big role in strengthening the cycle of our birth, death, and rebirth and redeath. But the chanting of Ram Narayan Ram, on the other hand, is helping us to bring us back on the right track. Here, Ram Narayan Ram is like a currency which is trying to buy out your every past thought and action, and ultimately helping to place the whole of you on the right trajectory. Here my Thakur says in Tattva Jigyasa, জীবনভর যত কথা যত চিন্তা করেছো, জব তার থেকে বেশি হওয়া চাই। মনে করো 500 কোটি কথা এবং চিন্তা তোমার আছে, জব তোমার যেই 500 কোটি 1 বা 500 কোটি 2 হবে, তোমার ভিতরে ফুটতে থাকবে। So you should realize how important Ram Narayan Ram is. Every moment, whenever I meet you people, I go on stressing on how valuable this Ram Narayan Ram from my Thakur is. Raro Rira Radura Raksara Mona Radhuva Ridhira Ravasa Nisugana Nagna Nathi Prabhas Narara Thalasi Sarara